Jay Nache, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Eknath? Yes, yes. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, I had breakfast. Not yet. After the class, you take it. Okay. Bade Sahib, can you able to hear me? Bade Sahib? Yeah, now it is right. Well, there is one garden. Okay, story starts like this. And being a garden, don't you feel you need to put some chemicals to keep the garden very clean and tidy? Okay. Yeah. Story start with garden. Let us say I have a garden in my house. Okay. I have prepared one garden for which I need some liquid chemicals as well as dry chemicals. Okay. Or you can say liquid product and dry products. See, I read, just go through it. A person requires 10, 12 and 12 units of chemicals A, B and C respectively for his garden. A liquid product contains, okay, a liquid product contains 5, 2 and 1 units of ABC per jar respectively for jar, that is. Please come to the liquid product is over now. See, a dry product contains 1, 2 and 4 units of ABC per carton. You say they are the bottles, like for example, they are the 2 different bottles. Each bottle contains, one is liquid and another one is a dry product. Liquid product and dry product. Okay. If the liquid sells for Rs 3 rupees per jar, it means you are getting for each jar 3 rupees, that is liquid product. Can you able to hear all of you, please? Only 2 have joined today. Only 2 are there. I don't know Bade Sahab is there or not. Yes. Eknath, Bade Sahab, only 2 have joined. And dry product sells for, dry product sells for, what is that? Yeah, dry product, dry product sells for Rs of 2 rupees per carton. Okay. How many of each should be purchased in order to minimize the cost? Okay, in order to minimize the cost and meet the requirement. Now you can see the screen. Yes, nothing else. The idea is very simple. There is one garden. Okay, for this garden we want some chemicals. The chemicals are in the form of liquid as well as dry. Are you getting idea? Yes, liquid and dry. So what I have done here, always you should start up with the decision variables. Am I right? For liquid product, let me call x1, and for dry product, let me call x2. Am I right? Are you getting idea? And x1 and x2, as you know, they are called as decision variables. Correct? X1 and x2 are called as decision variables. Because in the story, the cost of each, okay, product are what are? One is liquid product, another one is dye product. Product itself are liquid and dry. Am I right? Since you people are selling at the rate of 3 rupees for liquid and for dry product you are selling it for 2 rupees. Correct? Because the costs are being given, therefore we can write what he has told. How many of each should be purchased in order to minimize, remember it, minimize the cost. Am I right? So what is the objective function here? Objective function is Z. Objective function minimization problem it is. Therefore Z is equal to 3 rupees for liquid product, and x1 we call it as yes, for liquid product we call it as x1, and for dry product we have called it as x2. Am I right? So 3 rupees is going to be sold for liquid product, and 2 rupees is going to be sold for dry product. Is it clear? This is objective, because see here, just have a look at liquid product sells at 3 rupees per jar, dry product sells at a rupees of 2 rupees per carton. Okay, therefore what I wrote is objective function is minimization, that is Z always denoted by, because we are selling 3 rupees for liquid and 2 rupees for dry, therefore I wrote this is the objective function, objective of this story, 3x1 plus 2x2. Let us see the constraints. What are the conditions? Don't you feel this whole equation is influenced by some conditions, subjected to some constraints, subjected to some limitations? Okay, this whole equation has to operate under the conditions. Am I right? Let us see what are the conditions, what are the constraints. So I wrote here constraints, right? Well, as there are 3 chemicals, okay, 3 chemicals means liquid products are there, okay, and their requirements are given already. Okay, what is that requirement? See here, for liquid product, see here, yes, the liquid product contains 5, 2 and 1. As we know all, for liquid product we have called decision variable is x1. Am I right? See, 5, 2, 1. Come here, have a look at this equation. 5, 2, 1. Liquid products x1, x1, x1. Am I right? Then we'll think of dry products further. Liquid product contains 5, 2, 1 of ABC. ABC are the chemicals, liquid chemicals they are, liquid products respectively per jar. Come to the dry product. A dry product contains 1 to 4 units of ABC. Yes, 1, 2 and 4 units of ABC. Just come to the mathematical formula. See here, 1, 2, 4 liquid product. Yes, see x2. Are you understanding now? Why I have written this sign, larger than or equal to? No. Array, we have taken 3-4 problems here based on this formulation. See, it has meaning. I written here small, larger than or equal to, but in most of the yesterday's, day before yesterday, whatever problem we have taken, just see the indications, the signal signs were, yes, larger, smaller than or equal to it was in the why it is I have written larger than or equal to? Because I have told yesterday also repeatedly, this is minimization problem. Problem is of minimization, not maximization. See here what he has told. How many of each should be purchased in order to minimize? See here, minimize the cost. It means it is minimization. Please understand this. Do not forget, please. If minimization comes, yes, our sign should be always larger than or equal to. if the problem is of maximization, yes, the sign should be of smaller than or equal to, remember it. Since this is minimization problem, we are minimizing the cost. So because see here, minimization, therefore what I should write? Yes, larger than or equal to. In the previous problem, just go through here, it was the reverse. It was smaller than or equal to. I wrote smaller than or equal to because those problems were maximization, but here minimization. Have you understood now? Yeah, it is very, very important. If you are making mistake to write these signs, it indicates you do not understood the problem and no one is going to give the marks. This has got very wonderful meaning. Whatever sign I have written here, larger than or equal to. Am I right? Please do not forget regarding this. Have you understood now? It means so far the story we have analyzed. What was that? A person requires 10, 12 and 12 units of chemicals. It means see here, chemicals A, B, C, D. Okay, come here, 10, 12, 12. He requires, it is confirmed, requires in his garden. See, 10, 12, 12. Come on here, 10, 12, 12. Are you understanding? Next, a liquid product contains, liquid product I am talking, I am not talking of dry product. 5 to 1 units of ABC. Come here, 5 to 1 liquid product these are, therefore I wrote here X1. And dry product, yes, dry products are, how much it is? Come here, no LED. Dry product 1, 2, 4 dry products. Okay, see here, 1, 2, 4, larger than or equal to, because it is a minimization problem. Yes, and therefore finally let us write the LPP. It means that is a mathematical model. How these 10, 12 and 12 got it? Because he has given a person requires 10, 12 and 12 units of chemical ABCD respectively for his garden. Therefore I wrote here 10, 12, 12. Finally, yes, our objective function was maximization or minimization? Minimization. Okay, let it be minimization or maximization. The same letter we are going to be denoting it, that is Z. Therefore minimization equal to, what is 3 and 2? We are selling cost at this rupees, liquid product, and this is a dry product, 2 rupees. Therefore subjected to, what is this 5? The first one represent liquid product. Okay, liquid units of 5, 2 and 1, yes, of ABC, units of ABC respectively, and this is dry products 1, 2 and 4, and these values are, we know, confirm. Okay, this much chemicals are, this much units are required, because see here 10, 12, 12, what is that? A person requires 10, 12 and 12 units of chemicals. So this is the required 10, 12, 12. And finally X1, X2 larger than or equal to 0. Akshay, good morning. You did a late, Akshay. Yes, have you understood this problem? Yes, please. Have you understood the problem? Yes, friends, speak something. Okay, okay. We'll take one more story. Am I right? We'll take one more story. Yes, more ಮಂದಿ ಬಂದ್ರಪ್ಪಿ 3. Only Jayanate is there. Rest others have gone. No problem. Let us see the story. What is the story? A marketing manager, there is one manager, he will take care of marketing situation. Okay, a marketing manager wishes to allocate his annual advertising budget, okay, of Rs how much? 20,000 rupees in 2 medias. There are 2 medias. There are 2 different channels, you can say TV channels, for example M and N. See, the idea is very simple. Maybe he has a big business, but if you want to develop his business, he has to make an advertisement of his business by any name, correct? So for which per year he is putting 20,000 rupees for advertisement only, for advertising his company, his business. Separately he is keeping a budget, how much? 20,000. But that advertisement he wanted to publish in two papers, 2 media. Let us say media can be a papers, newspapers. So those papers are, one is Taruna Bharat, another one is Sakal. कळलं आता? हां बरं. विचारी, गुड मॉर्निंग. विचारी, can you able to listen me? Can you able to hear? Yes, Eknath understood story now? Yes, he is a manager. He wanted to publish his some business. He wanted to give an advertisement in 2 papers. One is Taruna Bharat, another one is Sakal, and for which he has to spend 20,000 rupees per year. Yes. Shall I proceed further? Yes. The unit cost of message in media M is Rs 200 rupees. What do you mean? म्हणजे काय आहे, हे तरुण भारत आहे की, तरुण भारत म्हणजे M. हां, तरुण भारतमध्ये एक मेसेज द्यायच्यासाठी तो किती खर्च करायला पाहिजे? 200. हां, एक मेसेज, if you put one message, for which he has to pay 200 rupees. आणि एक सकाळ ऐक रे यांना, हां, त्याच्यामध्ये मेसेज घालायला 300 रुपये द्यायला पाहिजे. ओके, नोड प्यार बंदर बत्ती लो. Have you understood now? Yes. It means, yes, no doubt he want to publish his business, for which he has selected 2 papers. One is what is that? Taruna Bharat. Another, just I am taking an example here. M and N means I am taking an example. M is nothing but Taruna Bharat, N is nothing but Sakal. So if you want to put one message, for which you need to pay 200 rupees. कुठे? तरुण भारतमध्ये. आणि सकाळमध्ये 300 द्यायला पाहिजे. का? म्हणजे बहुतेक ते फेमस असणार सकाळा, म्हणून 300 रुपये द्यावं लागतं त्याला. हां, लेट मी रीड नेक्स्ट. द मीडिया M इज मंथली मॅगझिन. हां, हे तरुण भारत जे आम्ही दोघं मिळून म्हटलं की, ते तरुण भारत रोज येत नाही, महिन्याला एकदा येते. हां, मॅगझिन, मंथली मॅगझिन, दॅट इज. कळाले? डोक्यात जायले. हां, द मीडिया M इज मंथली मॅगझिन and not more than one insertion, not more than one insertion is desired in one issue. लक्षात घ्या. आता ते महिन्याला एकदा येतात की ते मंथली मॅगझिन म्हणतात आम्ही, आणि एक महिन्यामध्ये ते 2-2 मेसेज घालत नाही, फक्त एकच मेसेज घालणार तो. कुठलं? तरुण भारत. द मीडिया यम इज मंथली मॅगझिन अँड नॉट मोर दॅन वन इन्सर्टेशन. फक्त एकच. ही वॉन्टेड टू पब्लिश whatever the message given by the marketing manager only once, not more than once. Not more than once one insertion is desired in one issue. म्हणजे एक महिन्यामध्ये एकच मेसेज घालणार तो. तरुण भारत. लेट मी read next. At least 5 messages should appear in media N. पण what he says is, the marketing manager, sir, at least 5 मेसेज तर यायला पाहिजे. कुठलं? सकाळमध्ये. तरुण भारतमध्ये एकच येणार मेसेज महिन्याला. पण काय आहे, एक आहे सकाळमध्ये कमीत कमी 5 तर यायलाच पाहिजे. ॲटलिस्ट 5 messages should appear. 5 messages should appear in media N. Okay, have you understood so far now story? Yeah. Next, the expected effective audience per unit message for media M is 4000. म्हणजे when I put a message in Tarun Bharat, okay, only once in a month it is going to come, because Tarun Bharat is monthly magazine आहे. रोज येत नाही ते, महिन्याला एकदा येते. Then what I expect is, being a marketing manager, so minimum 4000 audience should see it once if I put message in Tarun Bharat. And media N मध्ये कमीत कमी 5000 people should look at that message. Are you understanding? So this is the story. Okay. Next, formulate a LP, that is linear problem model of the problem. It means we have to prepare a mathematical model of this story. आम्ही काय म्हणूया, डिसिजन्स व्हेरिएबल्स वी शुड टेक ऑलवेज. किती पेपर आहे? 2 आहे नाही पेपर, एक तरुण भारत, एक सकाळ आहे. तरुण भारतला आम्ही काय म्हणूया, X1 म्हणूया, आणि सकाळला X2 म्हणूया. So these are the 2 decision variables for us in this problem. See, X1 and X2 are be the number of messages in the media M and N respectively. Okay. Next, objective function काय आहे? Yes, objective function is म्हणजे जास्त लोक वाचायला पाहिजे ते काय ते मी मेसेज घालतो. जास्त म्हणजे डोंट यू फील इट इज अ मॅक्झिमायझेशन प्रॉब्लेम. ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन इज मॅक्झिमाइज. करेक्ट? वाल. एक मेसेज घालायला तरुण भारतला मी पैसे किती देतो? 200 देतो. आणि सकाळमध्ये घालायला किती देतो? 300. करेक्ट? समजलं आता? डोक्यात गेलं? म्हणजे आय सेड M is nothing but X1, तरुण भारत is nothing but X1, अँड सकाळ इज नथिंग बट x2. तळण भारतमध्ये घालायला 200 देतो आणि सकाळमध्ये घालायला 300 देतो. सो व्हॉट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन हिअर? मॅक्झिमायझेशन झॅड इज इक्वल टू किती लोक वाचतात, किती लोक तळण भारत? 4,000. x1 म्हणजे तळण भारत. तळण भारत म्हणजे यम. प्लस 5,000 कुठला पेपर वाचतात? सकाळ. इज इट करेक्ट? वेल, नेक्स्ट दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन. म्हणजे किती लोक वाचतात, केवढं जास्त वाचतात मला प्रॉफिट आहे. म्हणजे मी काय विचार करतो, माझा मेसेज जास्त म्हणजे जास्त लोक बघू दे असं मी माझ्या मनात आहे. जास्त लोक बघितलं ते बिझनेस वाढतेत. म्हणून ते मॅक्झिमाइज हे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन आहे. ओके, देन दिस इक्वेशन इज इन्फ्लुएन्स्ड. दिस इक्वेशन इज अंडर द इन्फ्लुएन्स ऑफ दीज कंडिशन्स. करेक्ट? समजलं? आता बघूया कन्सेंट किती आहे. एक पेपरला म्हणजे तळण भारतला 200 देतो आणि सकाळला 300 देतो. सो 200 x1 प्लस 300 x2. ओके, मॅक्झिमायझेशन म्हणजे मी काय म्हटलो, लार्जर स्मॉलर दॅन आर इक्वल टू. करेक्ट? अरे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन काय आहे? मॅक्झिमाइज आहे. इफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन इज मॅक्झिमाइज, दिस साइन शुड बी रिटन. स्मॉलर दॅन आर इक्वल टू शुड बी रिटन. ते जस्ट इन द बिफोर वॉट एवर वी हॅव टेकन द प्रॉब्लेम प्रिव्हियस ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लेम, व्हॉट इट वॉज? द साइन वॉज लाईक दिस, लार्जर दॅन आर इक्वल टू, दॅट इज मॅक्झिमाइज मीन्स जास्त झाला नाही. in minimization problem, okay, because that problem was minimization, therefore we wrote larger than or equal to. but इथं काय आहे? मॅक्झिमाइज आहे म्हणजे स्मॉलर रिव्हर्स लिहायचे. मॅक्झिमाइज म्हणजे स्मॉल कमी करायचे आम्ही, स्मॉलर. मिनिमाइज म्हणजे काय करायचे? जास्त करायचे. जास्त म्हणजे लार्जर दॅन. असं लक्षात घ्या. ठीक आहे. 200 x1 प्लस 300. ये 200 300 काय आहे? पैसे पाहिजे, द्यायला पाहिजे आम्ही एक मेसेजसाठी. लार्जर दॅन स्मॉलर दॅन आर इक्वल टू, बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लेम इज मॅक्झिमाइज. टोटल पैसे किती बजेट अलॉट करतो मी? 20,000 आय एम अलॉटिंग. एक बजेट कंडिशन एक आहे बजेट. दुसरं कंडिशन x1 म्हणजे काय आहे? तळण भारत. समजलं? हे बघा इथं काय लिहिले? 12 and 5. व्हॉट इज दॅट 12 and 5? हां 12 म्हणजे मंथली एक ते 12 नव्हे एक ॲक्च्युली वन मेसेज. व्हॉट इज दॅट इन तरुण भारत? ही सेज हियर सी द मीडिया एम इज मंथली magazine and not more than one insertion. One. It is not 12, it is 1. Are you getting idea? हां सी नाही हे 12 बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे कसं आहे रे, महिन्याला एक, वर्षाला किती? 12. म्हणजे एक वर्षाला 12 मेसेज घालणार तो. द मीडिया एम इज मंथली मॅगझीन. Okay, because he is saying annual, per year he is spending this much amount for budget. So I have to take into account of per year only. So since each one message is for 1 month, therefore 12 months 12 messages. Okay, so total issues how many are? 12. तरुण भारत. त्याच्यासारखी एक आहे x2 सकाळ म्हणजे हे टोल्ड मिनिमम 5. करेक्ट? यार बघ यस शुड अपियर इन मेडिसी. at least 5 messages should appear in the midday n. n म्हणजे सकाळी. हे बघा, हां, सी minimum he is saying in the problem, remember this, minimum means minimization, correct है? त्याचे उलटा लिहा तुम्ही, मॅक्झिमम, लार्जर. हां, समजलं? हां, बघा इथं मिनिमम in the story he is saying, but what I should write here, sign larger. Reverse you write, that's all, reverse always. So x2 is larger than or equal to 5 messages, okay, and therefore last one x1 is larger than or equal to 0. Yes, this is the story of the given problem. Have you understood now? Yes. What is that? Yeah, always x1 is greater than 0 only. Larger than or equal to 0, 100%, no doubt. Because see, tolo. So it is surely larger than equal to 1, no? Tolo. Therefore, always last we are writing is x1 and x2. Suppose in a previous problem we have written that only x1 dash x2 is larger than or equal to 0 always. That is standard one. Okay. So yesterday few said, sir, let us have another 2 more problems based on formulation. I think, see, whatever the story you are reading, each story has a different direction, different the paths. Only thing is you need to identify first what is the objective function clearly. After you write, then you get to know this objective function is working under the some conditions, limitations, or whatever it is. Based on that you create a mathematical model. Am I right? And as you know, tomorrow you have quiz test. I announced it already 2 days back. Okay, let it be on Saturday, because Saturday I do not have a class. So in place of class we will take this quiz at I think you have 2 class tomorrow. Saturday you have 2 class. Shall I keep it at 12 o'clock? Yeah, because it comes under 3rd class. Okay, at 12 o'clock I will keep quiz test. Okay, based on game theory and sequencing. Please inform everyone they should attend. If they don't attend, they lose the marks. Do not blame me later, because I don't have any powers in the college now. I cannot do any help to you peoples, because I have to obey the HODs and principal words. Okay, if it was in my hand, I would have done anything for you peoples, but I don't have anything as on today. I don't know tomorrow. As on today, I don't know. I don't have anything. Therefore, I have to follow their words. So like how you attended ESA test yesterday. Okay, yes, pakka, through Google form only. Link I will send you, don't worry. Okay, by morning tomorrow I will send you. Is it clear? All you ask everyone to attend. If they don't attend, I am not loser, they are the losers. Yes, then with this problem we will end up the first module. Am I right? Except the theory part, except the theory part I have not taken. But I told you, see, it is a full theory. Some 7 to 8 marks he is asking. It can be a war, it can be advantages, it can be a scope, or it can be a phases of war. Likewise, few questions are coming. Hope you people will do that on your own. I have stressed, especially in war subject, I have stressed only on the problems. Remember it. Only on the problems, because war is problematic oriented subject. So with this, can I say 4 modules without leaving anything? We have completed 4 modules. Am I right? So 5th model will start from Monday onwards. Last module, that is simplex method, is 2nd module actually. Second module will start from Monday onwards. 100% one question is going to come. We will make it thorough. You don't worry about problems. Okay. Hope I have done my all the best in war subject while teaching. Repeatedly I have explained. More number of unsolved I have taken. Okay. None of the solved problems I have solved. Okay. Not even a single problem I have solved. All are unsolved. And first what is that? Notes I have sent you already. Notes, all the 3 modules I have sent, but still I am preparing a notes. Few more unsolved problem in my house. Shortly I will upload in your WhatsApp also. Complete full modules. Okay, please make use of it. If any of the college in the Belgaum, if you ask, you don't get such a notes, remember it. I am saying very useful notes because unsolved problems nobody is trying. All are solving in any of the college, only solved problem. A solved problem never comes in the exam. Most of the times unsolved he will give you. Therefore purposely I have solved first all the unsolved problem, and even in the college I have taken unsolved problem. Yes, even in the online classes also I have taken unsolved problems. Just if you go through in the notes, there is written U. U means unsolved. If is there any solved, it is denoted by yes. Yes means solved, U means unsolved. And number also I have given in the notes. Which number it was, in which book. So please have a benefit of it there. Okay. When we were studying, we don't had any such a professor take personally and solve unsolved. Nobody. Not learned who are under any of the staff during my degree days. We have studied on our own. Lucky you have a staff. Lucky you have a teachers. Okay, more and more number of classes personally I am taking. If you are coming every day, anyway every day I am taking online classes. See, this is the status we are facing. Today you are the only one person. 2 had joined, again they left. Tell me, is it my fault? No, what I can do? But still I am doing my level of best here. It is up to you people how you are accepting it. Okay. Wonderful notes, still preparation is going on. You don't worry. Okay, please attend and inform everyone tomorrow. If they don't attend, I am not the blamer next. You cannot blame to me. Whatever it is there, that much of marks they are getting it. Okay. Yes. Then we will end up Eknath. Okay. Tomorrow we will see you in Google form at 12 o'clock. Okay. Thank you. Good day. Thank you.